Can I add a person to my Rocket Money account? Intro. Hey there, you're sitting at your kitchen table, surrounded by bills. Credit cards, student loans, utilities, they're all piling up. You're overwhelmed, confused, and feeling completely out of control of your finances. Now, imagine a tool that could help you simplify all of that, a financial superhero that could organize your bills, track your spending, and even negotiate your debts. That's where Rocket Money comes in. But what if you're not the only one struggling with your finances? What if you want to share the burden and work together to achieve financial freedom? Can you add a person to your Rocket Money account? That's the question we're going to answer today. Hook. Before we dive into the main topic, let's take a quick poll. Raise your hand if you've ever tried to manage your finances with a partner or family member. I bet most of you have. It can be a challenge, right? Coordinating schedules, sharing information, and making sure everyone is on the same page can be tough. That's where Rocket Money can come in handy. Main content. Can you add a person to your Rocket Money account? The short answer is yes, you can. Rocket Money offers a feature called Shared Accounts that allows you to invite others to join your account and collaborate on your financial goals. This is a great option for couples, roommates, or family members who want to work together to improve their financial situation. Benefits of shared accounts. Enhanced collaboration. Shared accounts make it easy to share financial information and work together on a budget. You can see each other's spending, set joint goals, and track your progress as a team. Increased accountability. When you're sharing your finances with someone else, it can be easier to stay on track. You're less likely to make impulsive purchases or overspend when you know someone else is watching. Simplified budgeting. If you're in a relationship or living with roommates, budgeting can be a challenge. Shared accounts can help you create a joint budget that everyone is happy with. How to add a person to your Rocket Money account. Adding a person to your Rocket Money account is simple. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Rocket Money account. Go to your settings. Click on Shared Accounts. Click on Invite a Friend. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Send the invitation. Once the person you've invited accepts the invitation, they will be able to access your shared account and collaborate on your financial goals. Tips for using shared accounts. Set clear expectations. Before inviting someone to join your shared account, it's important to have a conversation about your expectations. Discuss your financial goals, how you plan to use the account, and what you expect from each other. Communicate regularly. Regular communication is key to the success of a shared account. Make time to discuss your finances, review your budget, and celebrate your achievements together. Be transparent. Honesty and transparency are essential in any financial relationship. Be open and honest about your spending habits, debt, and goals. Additional considerations. While shared accounts are a great way to collaborate on your finances, it's important to consider the potential risks. If you're in a relationship that is not going well, sharing your finances can make things even more complicated. It's also important to be mindful of privacy concerns. If you're not comfortable sharing all of your financial information with someone else, you may want to consider using a separate account for joint expenses. Conclusion. Rocket Money's Shared Accounts feature is a valuable tool for anyone who wants to collaborate on their financial goals. By sharing information, setting joint budgets, and tracking your progress together, you can achieve financial freedom faster and easier. However, it's important to approach shared accounts with caution and to set clear expectations before inviting someone to join your account. By following the tips we've discussed today, you can make the most of this feature and improve your financial situation. Outro. So, there you have it. You can definitely add a person to your Rocket Money account. Shared accounts offer a great way to collaborate on your finances and achieve your financial goals together. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.